Big old dandelion. You gonna blow? You make a wish?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
And that does not make fairies, does it?
Look! Look!
No, it does not. Yeah, it's blowing, going everywhere.
Kiss the ground.
It'll make more dandelions. You know you can eat them? Not them, the yellow ones. Where are the yellow ones?
Oh, no.
There's one. See? That'll turn into one of them white thingies.
Wait, where?
That.
I can eat it?
You can eat them like that.
Can I?
There's a certain way you can. Not right now, no.
Dang it.
Cats probably.
I found my baby. I found my baby. I was actually looking
Oh my
for
goodness, it's a stick. Anyways. Don't tell what you wish for.
I'm not.
Hit the bird.
Where's the acorn?
What the heck? I thought we was gonna play. We're gonna go play. We're gonna play with these things with the ball.
It's an acorn. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it.
That's not an acorn, that's a pine cone. That's this. Yeehaw! Here we go to have fun, ain't we?
Wait, let's end the video right here.
Cuts!
Yeah!
Ah!
Did you hear that? It made a rhythm.
Listen to the bird.
I'm so sorry. I never do that. I just do this.
Okay.
No, I'm joking. Give me the
that's
ball.
Here's a bird. Hang on, we're going to play now. Ah!
Wait.
Quit!
Yeah. Turn it around.
Stop, honey.
Turn it around.
Okay, we're going to go play now. Later, bird. Oh, hey.